In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the advanced variation of a hamstring runner on a TRX. So firstly, when you're setting up the TRX, you don't want it to be too low to the floor with the bottom handles, otherwise you're going to scuff your feet when you do the exercise. And it can't be too high, otherwise you won't be able to get your heels into the actual TRX to start the exercise. So once you've set up the TRX and the TRX is in a position where it's not tangled over, I want you to put your heel in the bottom part of the TRX. So once you've done that, make sure the foot is pointing directly up. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. From here, I'm then going to make sure that I straighten up the TRX so both sides are in line with each other. And from here, once I've got that equal height of both sides, I'm going to come straight back. Now, in terms of the next position, what we're going to do, and I want you to watch my hips, is we're going to come directly up with the hips, squeezing your glutes and core as you do so. And then what you're going to do is exactly the same as the beginner version. However, you're going to come into both much quicker when you do the exercise. So the beginner version would be one side coming in nice and slow, like so. The harder version is where we're constantly contracting the hamstrings. One side isn't isometrically contracting whilst the other comes in. We've constantly got one moving in as the other one moves away.